Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and my today's YouTube video is about an Instagram page which goes around scamming people, and it's very surprising and shocking that this page is still operating, and I want to make people aware about this so that y'all don't fall into this trap. So without a further ado, let's begin. So it basically started in the year 2022. I was new in Mumbai and I used to go out, socialize a lot. I met this person through common friends, and this Instagram page, this brand is actually owned by this person. So, yes, I know the owner, but I still never got my order and I was scammed. And if this can happen with me, this can happen with anyone. And it's absolutely shocking. So, we both started talking, and this person started telling me that he really likes my fashion sense, started complimenting me. I liked that. And then slowly, one day he slipped this particular idea into my head that I should order from his brand, from his page, which again, I know that I'm also responsible for ordering. So I'm not putting it all on him. I'm very much aware that I should have not trusted this person. But yeah, but if you consider somebody to be your friend, you would order from their brand, right? What's wrong in that? Friends do support each other. And yeah, like a gullible person, I decided to order from that page because I felt that yes, I should support this person. Without giving a second thought, I ordered cargo pants for 3K. Yeah, for 3K. It did not matter to me because I felt that yes, it's a growing brand, it's a growing page, and I should support. Yeah, so after that, it's been 1.5 years and I did not get my order. Yeah. Now, the problem is that I did talk to this person, did try to confront this person on several occasions. And the first time I was told that the order was shipped to my address. Probably my security guard misplaced the order. Now, I did not believe it because I asked for shipping evidence, which I never got. So I knew that it was a lie. It was a very blatant lie. But again, I tried to confront this person, and then this person said that he would ship the order and send me. Didn't get it. Now, very recently, I decided to call out this page on my social media, on my Instagram platform. I did. And again, this person came back to me, did not really apologize, but said that, yeah, I would ship your order. I would definitely send you this time. Promised me and then requested me to delete the story, which I deleted. But then again, this person is acting like a complete scammer. So that's why I'm not going to tolerate this bullshit anymore. And I decided to finally come out and talk about this. Also, from a lot of people in Mumbai, I've heard that this page has scammed many people. So I think that it's high time this should be out. The name of this page is called Vintage Stock House. I have added the link of this page on the description. It's a request from my side to everyone. Please don't order from this page and report this page because what they are doing is absolutely not right. So, this is a request from my end. Now, again, it's up to you guys. Now, coming to the point that yes, I'm also responsible because I ordered from the page. I trusted the person. I know that. And I feel absolutely horrible about it. It's really sad. This is what you get for trusting people, for trying to support these new brands, these upcoming brands. It's very disappointing. I really did not know what to do. not only getting scammed, but I lost a friend also. I mean, yeah, for this person, maybe I was never a friend. I was just a stupid, gullible person who could be used, who could be scammed. But yeah, from my side, the friendship was real. So that's all from my side. I know that it's not very relatable to you guys, but if you guys feel that whatever happened to me was wrong, then please do share your thoughts on the comment section. Let me know what I can actually do about this situation because I really do need some help. So, thank you for watching. Bye.